In this video, we are going to show you how to play against yourself in chess.com. Now, if you want to play against yourself, all you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are logged in, I want you to look at your main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. And there are 4 options. Initially, you have Play, Puzzles, Learn, and Free Trial. Under Learn, there is a 5th option, to be honest, which is called More. This is a drop-down menu. So when you click on this like so, you have 3 more options: Train, Watch, and Community. So under Train, if you hover your mouse on Train, there are going to be several more options, and you want to click on Analysis. So when you click on Analysis, you will be brought to this screen here where you're going to have your own board, and here you can actually play against yourself like that. There you go. Right? There you go. And so on and so forth. And here you're going to have your analysis, your games explorer. So you're going to have your breakdown here when it comes to the moves and whatnot, and you can actually check the previous move if you've forgotten. For example, let's do that, or you can play the next move. There you go. And after that, you can now play against yourself and practice. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.